All right, let's go on a walk with the dogs. Come on, guys. I love this. Come on. Treehouse. Or kitchen. Squirrel house. That's not supposed to be there. Big tree. Mushroom. Sun. Dead tree. Bark in a tree. Pollution. Tree hole. Birdies. Pebbles. Seashell. River. Easter. Dogtail. Nature. Moss. Hey. A little yellow flower. Twisty stick. Sad flower. Puddle. Stickers. Fossil. Snacks. Doggy shower. That's a wrap. Apparently I gave him some expired dress.
August 13th, 2023.
2 weeks ago.
No.
But did you die?
Yeah.
My son's doing it here. No idea what's going on.